In this next video, I want to talk about some of the benefits of being a member at Arrowhead and Morrison Lake. First and foremost, you get two courses, basically for the price of one, which is a huge advantage. A lot of times when someone is a member at a course, they play that course over and over and over and over. And hey, let's be honest, that probably gets a little old after a while. Well, now you get two courses. So that's a huge advantage. If one's busy, you can go to the other one and vice versa. There's also member events. At Morrison Lake, we have a member guest, and starts off with breakfast. It's an 18-hole event. 6 of the holes, they're playing a best ball format. 6 holes, they're playing a scramble. 6 holes, they're playing an alternate shot. And then there's a steak dinner at the end. And you can see all the information here. And this is all right on our website. So that's another thing that the members get to participate in. They get to participate in the member versus the staff outing at Arrowhead at the end of the year. So hopefully you are a good golfer and you can help us beat the members this year. It's really cool. They get employee pricing on food and beverages. They like the idea of being able to pay $1 for a beer. And it's fun. Sometimes people get a little revved up about it, but you can see the history here. 2010, the staff beat the members. And thankfully it was canceled last year, so we didn't have to lose again. But you can see a lot of times it's pretty close, 3-2, 3-2, 4-1. Whichever group puts the most teams in the top 5 wins, and that's how that's done. It's fun. We have music playing out on the course, and it's a lot of fun. And then we feed everybody at the end and wrap things up. New this year is the Morrison Cup. That's Morrison is a word I made up. It's a combination of Morrison and Arrowhead, Morrison. And the club championship, I felt like was getting kind of stale. Nobody would sign up for it. It's just like, well, why should we sign up? So-and-so always wins. This is going to be fun. This is going to be kind of like the basketball brackets, March Madness, where we're going to get 8 folks from Arrowhead, and they're going to play at Arrowhead. We're going to use handicaps, and they compete against each other. And whoever wins moves on. Whoever wins moves on. And then there's going to be a Morrison Lake bracket, and whoever wins that bracket will play the winner of the Arrowhead bracket in the club championship. One person versus one person, using handicaps, so everybody will have a chance. It's going to start the last week of July, and there will be a schedule, and they'll have to contact each other and say, hey, let's go play this date, let's go play this date, and they have to compete against each other. And the championship weekend will be at Morrison Lake this year. Next year it'll be at Arrowhead. It'll just alternate each year. The Arrowhead bracket will play at Arrowhead until the championship. Morrison Lake folks will play at Morrison Lake all the way through. So they have the home course advantage this year. And there's going to be a cash prize. It's really, really going to be cool. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to it. So those are some of the member events that we have. As far as benefits for members, in addition to that, they get discounts, as I said, in some of the other tournaments. They get range balls as far as a discounts on pro shop items, and it's just a really great way to take advantage of your entertainment dollars.